Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. As you can tell, we're back out on the brand new TALARIA XXX. I've been loving this thing so far. I know the last couple videos have been on this bike, but I think it's a ton of fun. Now, today should be a lot of fun. If you watch my videos, or you watched it from like a year ago, essentially, my buddy Owen, I used to ride with all the time. He's got a DRZ, so he's going to come out and ride his DRZ with us a bit. And wow, chain looks a little loose. Get some quick wheelie practice in while we wait for the boys to show up. We're just now getting used to balance point, which is pretty cool. Stoppies too, sort of. There's Owen down at the bottom of the steps. Ooh-wee, and we got Owen down here now. What up? What's good? How we been? It's good, bro. How we doing? It's a TALARIA, pretty much like the Sur-Ron, except more powerful. Let's see it! Pull it up! Yeah! Alright, I mean, so you tried the Razor. It's the same general thing. Now you should be good to go. I'm gonna take your DRZ out real quick. It's been too long. I do kind of miss this. I forgot what it's like. I do miss the sound, I can't lie. Oh, I used to be able to wheelie this thing no problem. I'm such a worm on this thing now. What do you think of that?
Oh, dude, this thing's amazing.
Isn't it sick? Oh, guys, this is going to be the end of my front brake because this line is already kinked and it's just not in a good spot. Let's see a wheelie! Cool thing is, guys, we can just ride this thing right on the highway. Well, not the highway, but the street, you know what I mean. Get up to speed. Gas and electric together. Yeah, we're going up around.
Goodness.
It's cold, right?
Yeah, but
We got the pack. Look at them. XXX, Sting R, and DRZ 400 SM. Yeah, this is one big thing I like about this new bike, is that I can just ride it on roads like this and feel pretty dang comfortable doing it. This isn't the best for range. Like, we're eating our battery doing 50 miles an hour for 15 minutes. However, you can do it comfortably. Like, it's not a problem. Let's fill them up. Woo, I love this, guys. It's got all the bikes out. We're definitely getting more comfortable on this thing. Bro, this front brake line, bro. Do you think it's enough? Otherwise, I can just pry it, probably. Yeah, there we go. I mean, I feel like that's better. I'll have better luck with that than... It's so stupid. All right, I think this is it. Yo, they have the Oscar Mayer truck here. What? Oh, yeah.
we're waiting on Owen to come back, right?
Yeah, he's coming. We lost you. Alrighty. Guys, we're still getting the wheelies dialed, but we're getting there. And this front brake line, I'm just accepting the fate of this thing. TALARIA, I love this bike, but that was a terribly designed front brake line. Yeah, that's balance point. All right, here we go, some off-road. We'll let everyone get in front. Owen is like, is this all legal? Ooh, this is sweet. This is cool as hell. Look at this. Coming in hot. See, this is a cool new place, right? I've actually never been here either, guys. But yeah, guys, we definitely have to do a video with Owen riding just electric with me, so we'll get him on the Razor and we can swap and whatnot. So that should be an upcoming video that'll be a lot of fun. This is just straight train tracks. Sluice stuff. What is this here? Let's see. Oh yeah. Look at this. Damn, dude, this cool ass little trails in here. Yo, this bike just eats. This bike just eats this up, no problem. Supermotos too.
Good dog, he went down.
He went down?
Yeah, he went right down.
Oh, let me spin around. It's a little sketchy. Dude, it's so soft. The dirt tires on to be better, but I'm just gonna be a little baby.
We gotta ride over the track.
We just gotta climb up it. Let's send it. I don't. Supermoto's on. No grip. Gotta push it up. Bro. No. Are you good? Are you good? We're doing freaking Graham Jarvis riding on an e-bike, stock e-bike, and that supermoto wheels. Oh my God. Glad I didn't wear my white shoes today. And then once you get there, it'll grip some rock and it should be fine. Yep, keep going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. That was a lot more work. Dude, look at my shoe. Oh, dude, we did it already. Nice and bumpy up in here. Yeah, guys, we just been hanging out here for a couple seconds, but I'm thoroughly impressed by this bike, especially on supermoto wheels. To be doing all this, it's quite impressive. I'm gonna have to clean the bike after this today. I wonder what's up that way. Another trail? Oh, almost went down. Oh yeah. Oh, and now there's a tree in the way. So easy to turn around just like that. Oh yeah. Huh? You're gonna go around again? All right. What's up? Finally got it. Oh, now we're getting comfy. All right, we'll hop on the Dizzer real quick. You just roll over everything. I think I'm quicker on the Talaria. So going down on this, it's just like, the suspension is so much better, so it just takes it so well. And you get engine brake, which is nice. I think I'm quicker on that though, to be honest.
Yeah, way quicker.
We're headed back down in towards the city. That was a lot of fun though, riding over there. Got to ride the gas bike again too, which is always nice. Always a nice little time. Guys, I kid you not, Owen literally said that this thing is the most fun thing he's ever ridden. Oh, I can still kill switch this fool. He doesn't want anything to do with me. Wheelie the bridge. We're going back into the city now. Feeling good now. Oh yeah, now we're getting the hang of it. And here you go. Cole tearing it up. This is what he does. Look at him go. There we go. That's balance point, baby. Keep this nice and slow. That's what we've been waiting on. Cole makes me feel like such a bad rider. Today was a fun ride, guys. We did a lot of stuff. All right, let's take this turn here. You gotta get more comfy on the XXX. Good ride, y'all.
Offroad next, I can start getting clips.
Yeah, dude.
I'll be safe. Peace. Any clips I make, can you send them to me so I can stay?
Yeah, I got you. All right, goodbye, everyone. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a lot of fun, to be honest. There's trails and everything. Good time, good ride, good vibes. But I hope you enjoyed this video. There's so much content coming both on this bike and the Razor, so make sure you're subscribed. Be sure to comment down below, like the video, all that crap. But I will catch you next time. Peace.